Next, we're going to install this light harness. The shortest side harness, or the shortest harness, is the driver's side, and the longer side is the curb side. The yellow wire is your park wire. The blue wire is your turn signal. On the curb side, you only got the turn signal. And each wire is marked what they are. This side of the plug we're going to install into the module. Run your light harness across the front of the truck. Make sure it's not in front of any moving parts, or you could run up top here on this harness through here. This is the plug from the light adapter harness. This plug is installed on the multiplexing module. Take the multiplexing module, install it on the driver's side. In this case, we're going to install it on top of the fuse panel. When you install the plugs to the module, use a 1/4 inch driver and hand tighten the bolts and only snug them up. Don't over tighten them, they will snap. To secure the module, neither use Velcro to Velcro it down or zip tie it down to something solid. And once you're complete the install, grease all the connections and make sure it's zip tied to away from all moving parts or sharp objects or any rubbing. Just zip tie it up to secure it. When you connect the harness adapters to the truck headlight, make sure you fill it full of grease. Apply grease to your light adapter connectors and plug them in according to the instruction sheet. When you get these kind of relays, apply a lot of dielectrical grease around the connections. Make sure you zip tie the harnesses up high in these relays so they ain't hanging down below in front of the wheel and getting a road slot. Now after you're done greasing and zip tying everything nice and tight and secured, and you can start putting the truck back together. When the plow is not installed, you take the plugs, put a little bit of grease, plug them in and plug them together so it'll keep from corroding.